Guys, I got back my channel. Yes, I got back my channel. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up Teradan. Big up Nick FSB. Big up Tef Entertainment. Big up JNL. Big up the G them. And big up everybody in the comment section who reach out and show support when the channel did gone. Now we back again. You understand? So you know say next gear I go turn up you know though. Yeah man, we gotta turn it up next gear now and just work and get that 100k. Yeah, security up here now. So yeah, ignore the intro to this reaction. Just do one thing for me. I'm gonna leave the new channel link in the description. Please just in the comment section. Please subscribe to that same way. Yes? Alright.
Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. You don't know what that. About to miss a capalat. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 again. Yes, man, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The Clash, part 6 Clash. If it's the first time you've seen it here, this because it's a new channel. The original channel got hacked at 50.7k. So if you don't want to subscribe to that one, please feel free to do so. I'm trying to build back up as well. I'm not giving up. So we're here with part 6 of the clash between SpongeBob and him dirty friend them, and Patrick and Fiend dirty friend them. So 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself, G. And please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're not watching, please subscribe to the channel. All right. Yes, like I said, account got hacked at 57k. So if you guys don't mind subscribing to the link that's down in the bio, if you're watching on TikTok or if you're watching on Instagram, please do so. All right, let's jump in the water and see what I got in part 6. Let's go. Or I get physical, kill them minimal. Roll on the war get ugly. Kill them at day like Bulby. Alliance no talk, them a bounty. Alright, let bounty alone.
Alright. What a bossy name. Batty man crab skip your formula. You know see crusty crab fall off killer. Member cross the road under the dart. Me a page you no brawling if you no stop that nigga. Me draw for the glock, me full of drip. Me ras it a warm to the crab we full of shit.
Yeah, crab full of shit for true. Yeah, but somebody will tell us say, yo, boy, you full of shit like crab? Yeah, crab full of shit for true. I'm gonna say, yo, I want to the crab full of shit.
Me draw for the glock, me full of drip. Me ras it a warm to the crab
we full of shit. Yeah.
Bam up on the workplace, seen at the worst way. So pussy baba fi drop, no push a lip. You dirty family, me no bother why. You a hide in a dark and a stiff your mother jaws.
You dirty family, me no bother one. Remember say you're freaky, remember say you're a dirty boy. Remember say you're hiding in the dark and I sniff your mother jaws. How disrespectful. How disrespectful.
You dirty family, me no bother why. You a hide in the dark and I sniff your mother jaws.
Where?
Fucking nasty boy crabs, what a drama. You should have shame your little self full of card. Me family rich, but yearn them a suffer. Pearl them a muckers. Have me girl, but now I yearns me a go for. Miss puff them a all germs where you can you feel butters.
Miss Puff for all germs, we are nyam you out your money, she a boobs you out. Remember, say you're not good in the waist. That is what Miss Perla said. So guess what? The only thing you're good for is some money. Suck yourself. Hold this.
Girl, but now I yearns me a go for. Miss Puff them a all germs where you can you feel butters. Eugene, now you attack for you never remember when me was a stepfather. Hold on.
Remember, say no. Like me telling you before in a part 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Me no watch SpongeBob cartoon growing up. I never watched SpongeBob cartoon growing up. I know me get big mirrors now watch it. So some of them things where plankton attack. Yeah. We don't know.
Eugene, now you attack for you never remember when me was a stepfather. Hold on. Eugene, no.
So Eugene, him tell us, remember say him used to live in the mother world for 9 months. Remember say him used to be a stepfather. Remember say you used to come in the room a morning time and see him two of them a people through shit. Eugene, remember say you can't give him no chat. That's what he's saying, not me.
Eugene, now you attack for you never remember when me was a stepfather. Hold on. Eugene, no you attack. You never remember when me was a stepfather. When you're in your room, are you a meds? And me and Betsy did in a bed. When you are count up, kind for you, just a me of your mama scream and a ball and a bite.
So when time you in your room, I be a good looking boy. I remember saying mother around the so I scream out badly. Yes, cause who that reach belly? That is what he said, not me.
Ask her if she remember that.
Yeah.
Pussy.
A few moments later.
My mother, you go. Alright, plugs. Let's see how word, man. Just remember, you would do it to yourself. You know?
Yo, the G, them strapping now. Every man strapping now. Sponge have a little pipe here, so. Crab have a blood clot. I mean, you know what this is? An AK. The G right there, so I'm so. Yo, the man, them strap already.
Yeah, man. Remember, we run the bird, man.
No, but Crabs, yeah, fuck it though. All in love and fear. What them say? All in love and fear and war. That's saying that. Basically, anything goes in the war. Yeah, that's it. Too early for me. At that. So, yeah, go make it physical, you know, when a lyrical clash it name. Yeah, make it physical, pussy. Yeah, loads.
There you go. Alright, plugs. Let's see how word, man. Just remember, you would do it to yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Remember, we run the gun, you know. Remember, I would have been keen at our one, you know. Pussy. Yeah,
Pussy,
man, I
that's
don't talk now. Just watch our style, yeah.
Blood. Murder, me thing there. Crab preparing his army to pitch plankton. Plankton having a nap after a long day in the studio. Roach, you know, I wake you up here now. I'm going to share long minutes now, I'm pro back. Murder, me thing there.
Breaking Bumbleclot news. Early this morning, dancehall sensation Plantin, known in the streets as Pop Planks, has been hospitalized with serious injuries.
Alright, at least he's not dead. At least he's still there.
Though he's thankfully still with us. He remains in critical condition and authorities are urging everyone to respect privacy by not taking any pictures at this time. Sources say he was involved in a high-profile sale-by incident around...
Yo, can I just say, Kevin talented in the bro. The man talented in the dog for do all of them animation and all of them drawing in the bro. You know, easy in the dog.
4 a.m. and camera footages reportedly captures 2 suspects tied to the scene. According to investigators, this is stemming from a diss track made by Plankton. Your dirty family, me know about why you are hiding in the dark and I stiff your mother jaws. Fucking nasty boy Crabs, what a drama you should
have that fuck of Crabs mids.
And Karen provided to the authorities 2 voice notes sent by Mr. Krabs to Planson's device.
My mother, you go. Alright, plugs. Let's see how word, man. Just remember, you would do it to yourself.
Oh, the voice note, yes. Evidence. Lock him down. Lock down the junk room. Can't send voice note, boy. Learn lesson, boy. Can't send voice note on phone in these times, and I expect it to go use against you. Na quote law. All right then. Time and a friend, and I'm gonna give burns it. Good, what you say now?
Anybody's back. Ready for your talk and steady with the mark and one bob there and never left a Glock. Free Eugene, big boss, not a quick cross. Don't get me pissed off. Free crabs, enough of them little pussy, yeah, them a pre-crabs. Bad mind pussy, them wanna be crabs. Liar to me, say dog, you want me cheek crabs. Anything them say you do, you never do it crabs. Such man nearly get dashed with. Waffy brain crabs nearly dead, that dead. Mother up yourself.
Well, I'm confused now. Isn't... Alright, so Patrick started off wiring with SpongeBob. And then boom, 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 boom. So wasn't Krabs defending SpongeBob? So, Patrick defend Plankton. I don't understand. I'm confused, right? Comment section, tell me, help me, what going on so?
Such man nearly get dashed with. Waffy brain crabs nearly dead, that dead. Mother up yourself if you expect that then. 4 o'clock in the morning, me yes, a man shot dead. Free the boss for the roach, no remorse. This the man that for your man. Lucky you survive the storm. Hear the cup of them a blast. Everybody a say brass, then me hear you get it up. Then I laugh, me laugh. Karen fuck off, pussy all you inform. And I try frame the man. When the sale boy go on, yo them should have give what. Suck him mama Karen and go dead plankton.
Bomboclad. It's personal now. Hey, it's personal now, you know. I be people get involved.
Karen fuck off, pussy will you inform. And I try frame the man. When the sale boy go on, yo, them should have gear one. Suck him with my Karen and go dead plankton. Plankton for dead, and I that me know. You
Boss
never know
another
streets
baklamo.
go. Come on, this the man, look what you don't know. In a hospital bed, lie down. You want that for reach you, fucking leech you. Karen, you was stitch, can't wait for meet you. Look how
Jean Paul,
much
big up.
time planting them beat you. We have to save you, fucking eat you. Yo, bad Bob. Cross the camp it up. When I ramp it up, Roach gets stamped up.
Look
Free
at that.
crops. Free the dan. Free the boss. That dead.
Yo. No. Yeah, big up Kevin. Big up Kevin and the whole team we give us these has been giving us this series, man. Big up on yourself. It's a lyrical clash though, Crabs. Why not take it physical? Like the truth hurts? Because the man has same stab out your mother belly harder and bust a sweat. The truth hurt. Eh? You fucker, yo. Yo, we're glad say Plankton never dead still. We're glad say the G never dead in just in the hospital, you see me. But me confused now. I thought Plankton and thing that was on the same team. Plankton and Patrick. Me not understand. But yeah, anyway, let's get the hell out of here, man. Please do remember to follow this channel. Follow this one, guys. Follow this one. The other one has been hacked. For now, I'm still trying to fight to get it back. But in the meantime, just follow that one and make us see what go on with the other one. See? I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.